morning, you guys. I am on my way to my workout session. So, cheers to waking up to do the thing, because I definitely did not want to do the thing at all. Because I didn't want to do the things, I am going to take the elevator. Because the girl is tired. So I wanted to see if they were done doing the work, and they are done doing the work. Everything's all cleaned up, sweeped up. They put a bucket here because I told them how in the past there's been a leak, and the bucket's dry, but it could have been because last night didn't really rain. But everything looks so good. They even painted, so I don't know if you guys saw another video, but they reinforced some of the wood with this little piece right here. Oh, yes! He put my curtains up! Woo-hoo. So happy. Let me go see how this looks. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So happy. Oh my gosh, and he made it a little higher. That would have been okay if it was a little lower low key, but this is great. Oh my gosh, I love. Now, if I have clients and the sun is on this side because it's getting ready to be like mid to end of the day, I could just draw my curtains and I don't have to worry about such a harsh light. I'm so grateful. Now I wish I did add the extra 2 panels, but you know what? We're not gonna think about it too much. We're gonna let it be what it is. So happy. So happy. So I had to go into 0.5. So this is what the office is looking like right now. I have to bring these home so I can paint them, because I don't think I'm going to keep them here because we didn't end up getting the locks changed out. And so I'm thinking about doing some DIY. Hey. Oh, duh. Like, why is it locked? Because I put my tape. But anyways, I moved the tables from being over there just so they could do what they had to do with the window, because they have this big machine that they wheel and go up and down with. But I really want to do a statement wall. I know for sure I'm not going to use this wall, because then I would have to do the whole wall. But I'm really thinking about doing something on these 2 walls. Don't know what yet, but I do know this is something I want to do. So yeah. In that case, because I'm also trying to be like aware of how I'm going to do my filming of my clients. Like, I still haven't found the perfect place. One being, when I have them facing me looking this way, and I'll insert a little clip of when I had somebody like this. I don't mind this wall. Don't mind my nails. But the reason why I'm not a fan per se is because when that door is open, if somebody doesn't remember to close it, then it throws my video off. And I really like the fact that they get to face the window and have such an incredible view. But when, like I was saying before, when the sun would come through, it'd be so harsh, and then they would have shadows on their face, because I would back them up out of the sun because it's so bright and so hot. Maybe I'll do this corner and I'll just move this there. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to call an expert, decorator, interior designer, hashtag my best friend, see what she thinks, and go through Pinterest and see some inspo on TikTok and Instagram. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like. This is like this is my work table. It's so good because it moves, and it has outlets, so I could just plug up and then do what I gotta do. Look at the people's walking. Go ahead, old person. You're doing a good job. Keep going. You're doing a good job. Look who came. brought the drill so I could drill the leg into the table. Yep, and I just moved that. The table's a little bellying, but I have to figure out what I want to do with that. I really want to get these out of here though now. I really want to do something. So with moving the cabinet, I definitely can do something here on this wall now. Out for a walk. Finished my workout. Got this guy to do a little walk with us. Wow, baby, you get more grays.
Stressing me out.
It's true. On our way to the Vineyard, I have a makeup client for a wedding. There's the boat. Right there.
My mommy does. She's like allergic to stuff like yeah, there's something in a lot.
You see the big cars? Pushing out.
Oh yes, I think I remember hearing about that. High traffic. Everybody's getting off the boat. They're doing something over there. Apparently they're shooting a movie of some sort. This is Circuit Ave, the street we filmed.
Getting settled in the room.
Now that we settled in, what are we doing? We're about to go on an adventure, just walk around.
Circuit Ave.
Yeah.
Check what's going on and what movie and which actors
Are around because they're filming.
They're filming, so see if we see someone.
Yeah, see if we see somebody. I also want to add that I have pretty much all of my rings closed on my watch. Shout out to me. Went to my workout this morning. Then I invited him to go take a walk because what? Oh. Anyways, went to my workout earlier. Then I called him so he could come and walk because he don't be working out. Not like your girl. And so that is what it is. Look at these little houses. This is cute. Quaint. Just wanted to take us up next to the wisteria. So we just spoke to one of the guys that's working on set for that movie, and he said they're shooting for a TV show for Netflix called Forever, and so it's based on a Judy book, I think he said.
I forget the name of the book.
But yeah, so now I'm eager to see how this TV show comes out. But yeah, okay, let's keep venturing. It's so interesting how these things are so like, it's a rare thing now, you know? Like, you know what I mean, babe? Like how the gingerbread houses are considered rare compared to what we normally see in our day-to-day. chowders. We're here at the Lookout. Fan girly. Look at a video of the pink sandwich. So gorgeous. I'm gonna send this to Auntie Mona. Just got off the ferry. It is cold. We're just waiting for Sean. We noticed the car. Manny was like, I think that's him right there.